up? Look, I saw you coming.
I saw y'all earlier. I go,
You real? Oh my gosh. This is our buddy Gary and Alicia. We are here in Cynthiana, bikes everywhere. Bikes this way, bikes that way. Envy, buddy. All of us. Amelia's down there, as you can see.
Gotta get out the way.
Yeah. What's that, Gary?
You get a bunch of stickers on your bike, you ain't got to worry about the paint job.
Right. You don't got to worry about me putting no stickers on there. Because I'm worried about my paint job. Oh, man.
You know what? The first time we came here, it was still COVID.
Hey, one thing I would like to thank is Chariots of Light for doing all the judging on
If it
this.
was COVID,
Not
Brother
so like
Jack
the
here,
tail
Wayne
end,
Calladero.
but it was still out, but we were
Slim,
still
a couple
mad.
other ones. I promise
Yeah.
you, Wayne Calladero don't go on motorcycles. There's no way on these streets
somebody
today.
needs a new tire.
Man,
Yeah?
This
Yeah.
place is pouring.
Oh, man, look at it.
Second place pouring goes to
that's for sale if you want it.
Denton.
I'm good. Oh, yeah, a lot of people do have a lot of things for sale. A lot of bikes. And $10 raffle to possibly win a Corvette. I'm sure there has to be a threshold that they got to
I was
meet.
about to say the taxes on that thing.
Oh, yeah? You will pay the taxes?
Next
Joe-
winner.
Joseph, only thing you gotta do is just go write a check. That's all it takes. Just write a check. You know.
I want to look at it first.
Right. Oh, okay.
I want to see what's
He
worth
said he
my
wanted to
There you
make this
go.
in memory of Marty Garnett.
Hey,
Y'all know Marty.
Gary's over there. Look at him.
Yeah.
He's doing
One
his
day I'm gonna
$10.
bring over
Hey,
Jamie
why
and
not?
Get one for second.
Because you know there's a cash option too. 50,000.
Oh, that's true. That's not bad.
Next class is the trike class.
That's nice.
Randy Northcutt, second place.
Yep, very nice. New meaning to a trunk on the motorcycle. That's funny.
Next class, the very last class, is the custom
I
class.
do like this.
Great.
I like the gray. I like.
Second
Actually, I
place
like
goes to
everything about it.
Brian Hutchison.
Yeah, but you can't listen
Brian
to
Hutchison.
clean. You're just gonna hear them bags.
No, it's on hydraulics or air. So
Yeah, it'll pop up.
yeah, he can raise it up as much as he want to, so that he could probably lean it over actually. But I like those rims on it. Wow, that's
Looking
pretty
at the
nice.
paint on it though.
First
Yes.
place in the custom goes to Eddie.
That is one big old tire.
That rim is
And,
nice.
and rim.
Also, while Eddie's up
180,
there,
50.25.
he's from Bastard Cycles.
Wow.
He's got that on his hat. Out of Lincoln County. So,
Avion.
Eddie, you also
No, they
got
can
Best
keep
of
that.
Show for this year. We appreciate you.
Baby.
Thank you.
Baby. Literally,
grow up?
baby.
Eating the mini meals.
Custom.
He's going to draw the raffle.
That's cool. I mean, that thing is
C.
tiny.
Kelly.
Look at that little bitty baby motor on it. What's that, Gary? What's that?
I said, that used to be my place.
Oh, I'm sorry,
your
there's
place
another
right
drawing
there?
too.
Woodhouse.
Oh,
Till they
yeah,
built
oh,
one
yeah.
behind it. They built a new one.
Oh, yeah.
I'll let Dex
Oh, okay, yeah. So I spotted you out. He has the Breezy Rider on there too. That Breezy Rider seat cover.
Oh, yeah? Oh, okay.
Yep, that's what I have on my bike too. I love it, love it. You talking about a?
How do you put them on? You got to take the seat
Oh,
off? And
yeah.
put it
You
on?
take the seat on and then it just straps onto the bottom. you know, to itself,
Yeah.
and then you just put your seat back on.
Okay.
Yep.
I need a new seat, so I guess I'll do that. Instead of getting the new
That's
seat.
what I did instead of doing a new
I got
seat.
a rip in my seat.
Oh, did you? Yeah, that. Putting the meat on the grill.
And where's my judges? One, two, three. All right, y'all ready? I'm still looking for ticket number 118.
That's a whole.
118.
That's a whole possum.
All right, so my time clock. You ready? So,
Nah.
Mr. J, back
Look
here.
at that
Whenever
tail.
you're ready, buddy,
Like,
we'll get us
why?
started. Let's go.
Yeah. No, I'm good.
You better count your money. You better count your cowboy. You better count your cowboy. You better count your money. You better count your cowboy. It's crazy, big badass ball. Running up north, all the gold that I stole. Along with some cash, even.
Sweet love, yeah. I didn't mean it when I said I didn't love you so. I should've held on tight, I never should've let you go. I didn't.
Gary, you hear the difference? All the way here, Gary. Yeah, all the way from here. You can hear. Yeah, and it's clear. What's going on? I knew A&G in the house. I just told my buddies. I said, around over here. I saw that motorcycle down there. I said, I know exactly whose bike that is.
Man of War. We're doing a big bike night, August 21st. We get back from Sturgis, Appalachian Bike Night at Man of War.
Okay,
It'll be
all
a
right.
big-
Hey, brother, how you doing?
It'll be
Good.
real
How you
good.
been? Yeah, okay.
See, you're stepping up your game now.
Oh, it's trying to get like you, man. Trying to get like you.
Yeah, you don't want to do it for free. That's all
And this is my buddy Gary.
How you doing, Gary? Sorry you had to ride.
Joe.
I didn't ride with him.
And then Henry.
Nice to meet you, Henry. Even though you're Navy, my daughter's in the Navy.
There you go.
Yeah.
He said his daughter's in the Navy.
Yeah, I'm a disabled Army veteran. My daughter's in the Navy, USS Ford.
Oh, okay.
They just got back. She's in Virginia Beach now.
Oh, wow. Yep.
That's where I was stationed.
Absolutely.
Yeah. In North. That's where she is. Wait.
Yeah.
What's going on? Doing what I do.
Everybody's been so busy, we haven't even had time to get out. Meet up with you guys.
We've had so much rain. Like, we're going to make it up in the fall. We always do.
Were y'all good down in your area down there?
We just get rain like almost every weekend. We've had 11 events rain down there.
Golly.
We're going to make it up at Sturgis and, of course, with our fall riders that come in. Jeremy! Fall riders.
What's up? Look, I saw you coming.
I saw y'all earlier. I go,
Did you really? Oh my gosh. This is our buddy Gary and Alicia. This is Henry.
Hi, Henry. Nice to meet you.
And then this is Joe.
Hi, Joe. Nice to meet you.
Wife. Yes, you're the wife, right? No, this is a friend.
My friend. That's
Sorry.
great. They're over there.
They're all over there. Yes. y'all think about the Cynthiana Bike Fest. We're getting ready to go to